Hello and welcome to our channel. We're so glad to have you here. Let's get started. For this cushion style, we start by preparing a square piece of fabric measuring 36 by 36 centimeters. This will be the base for the entire project. Next, we mark the center of the fabric. This helps us keep everything aligned as we continue with the design. Now, prepare a small square piece of fabric for the center. This piece will sit right in the middle and help shape the design of the cushion. Next, sew the small square onto the center of the larger one. Make sure it's positioned evenly so the cushion design stays symmetrical. Now, carefully sew the four sides of the small square. Keep your stitches even and close to the edge so the piece sits flat and neat. Now, sew the long fabric strips onto the two sides of the square. These strips will help extend the shape and form the design of the cushion. Make sure they're aligned properly before stitching. Sew the pieces together just like you see in the reference image. Follow the same placement and direction to keep the design consistent. Please subscribe to my channel to support me. Your support means a lot and helps me continue creating more fun and creative projects for you. Now, for the other two sides of the square, use fabric in a different color. This adds contrast and makes the cushion design more vibrant and interesting. Continue sewing the pieces in pairs, following the same pattern until the entire fabric is completed. This keeps the design uniform and balanced. Trim a few centimeters from the outer edges of the fabric. This helps give the cushion a clean, neat finish and prepares it for the next steps. Now prepare a square piece for the back of the cushion. Once it's ready, we'll move on to sewing the zipper, which will make the cushion cover easy to open and close. To make the zipper sewing easier and more precise, use a special zipper foot on your sewing machine. This helps guide the fabric smoothly and ensures neat stitches. First, open the zipper and flip the side of the fabric that you're going to sew. This makes it easier to attach the zipper neatly and accurately. Carefully sew the zipper following the reference image. Take your time to keep the stitching straight and aligned for a neat finish. Now sew the back piece of the cushion onto the zipper. Make sure the edges align properly so the cushion cover closes neatly. Now, carefully sew the remaining 3 sides of the cushion. Take your time to ensure all corners are aligned and the stitches are even for a polished finish. Trim any excess zipper and carefully cut the 4 corners of the cushion. This will make it easy to turn the cushion inside out, giving it a neat and clean finish. Now, turn the cushion inside out. This reveals the finished side and gives the cushion its proper shape. Stuff the cushion with filling to make it soft and comfortable. Add these cute cushions to your home to instantly brighten up any room and give it a cozy, cheerful touch.